Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO, and in this video I will show you how to get the cursor back on the screen in case you cannot use your touchpad and you don't have an external mouse. To do that, you first have to press F6 button, and if F6 button doesn't work for you to enable your touchpad, then use FN and escape buttons at the same time to enable the locked FN key, and then try again. Then go to, if this doesn't help, go to normal FN key, then press the start button, tab, right arrow button to select the settings, press enter, then press tab a couple of times until you have the home selected. Then scroll down to the Bluetooth and devices using a down arrow button, then press enter to select, and press tab a couple more times, press then using arrow buttons select touchpad, press enter. Let me remove this cursor from here. But if you have the touchpad disabled here, you can use the space bar to switch the toggle and try enabling it. And after that, see if your touchpad works. But if it doesn't, don't worry. Press Alt F4 to close this window, then press the start button and search for Device Manager. Open it, press tab once, and using down arrow button, scroll down to Human Interface Device, and then using right arrow button, expand this list and search for HID compliant touchpad. Excuse me, ASUS Precision Touchpad in this case. Okay, press tab until you have General selected, then right arrow button to select driver, press tab couple more times until you have Disable Device selected, press enter, left arrow key, and yes, and then enter again to enable it, and then see if it works. And if it doesn't, press tab once, select uninstall device. Also, you can try to attempt to remove the driver for this device by pressing enter, by pressing space bar, excuse me, and then press enter to uninstall. Now press Alt F4 to close this window and press Alt F4 once. Now down arrow button to select restart and enter, and then wait until your device restarts. Okay, and right now try using your touchpad and see if it works, and if it does, that's great. But if it didn't start working, then maybe contact ASUS customer support service, or maybe bring your device to the nearest repair center if they don't help you. In the nearest repair center, they might take a look at your device, and this might be a hardware problem, and unfortunately I cannot help you with it in this video. But I hope that this video helped you though, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.